There's one thing that I want to share to you guys if you want to really get successful. There's one small little secret that nobody knows about and nobody talks about it on the internet because they're scared. Why are they scared? They feel like यार हमारा competitor खड़ा हो जाएगा क्या मतलब. But I want to say this straight to your face. Retirement plan, motherfuckers. We're in a good place. Guess what? I'm retired.
So it turns out that you don't have to have sugar. Sugar isn't good for you. But I've found a way around it. You can keep a papaya in a Mary fucking biscuit. You keep both of them like that. You give it a press and you eat it. That is the most dog shit I've ever done. But I'm at 6,500 fucking feet, absolutely enjoying. And I'll show you around in this video. I have some meetings to attend.
This place is 2.5 acres of pure jungle, wild animals and bullshit. The point is, you are a brokey and you think that being a 19-year-old multi-fucking millionaire, I cannot do this. I cannot stay at places like this. You feel like supercars, buildings, ये सब भोसड़ी के ये सब rent पे लिया जा सकता है. It takes no money. This place is nature. This place is the reality. This connects you with the nature and makes you feel broken and small. If you cannot come to this place and chillax while working at the same time, you're absolutely a loser. We are going to show you everything that I do as a 19-year-old multi-millionaire in this trip, in this vacation, which I have very regularly. We're going to live for more than a week here. Let's fucking enjoy. You're going to see the entire documentary. Keep watching till the very end, guys. A cup कॉफी का आप लोग ये पीते हो अपने चूतिए घरों में. You drink it thinking that someday you will make something out of your life, that someday you will be able to do something special for the world. But the point is, आप actually इतने lazy हो and you don't work for yourself. The point that you miss out is hard work, but hard work with consistency. I'll have this cup of coffee and then we're gonna have a shit ton of enjoyment. We're gonna have some music, work around, we're gonna have some meetings, and all the fucking food is going to be handmade by 2 or 3 cooks inside the kitchen, which is here itself. It's all an old school place. It's a very very old, like it's 180 years old. ये जो विला है ये 180 साल पुराना है. 180 साल पुराने विला में हम रह रहे हैं, and it is costing us a shit ton of money, but I don't give a fuck. We're on a vacation. We're gonna enjoy. We're gonna show you what a life is like at a 19-year-old. You know, today is a better day. कल हम पहुंचे थे. There were a lot of landslides happening as it's the rainy season here. So today is way better than yesterday. But you know, the rain never stops. बारिश नहीं रुकती है. Because this place is a rainforest and it's filled with fog everywhere. Look at the fucking flowers. It's just so beautiful. Everything is just pristine, preserved properly. And it extends all the way there. Jungle है पूरा, but वो jungle भी हमारे अंडर है. We can fucking, you know, dig up the fucking dig and get somebody inside there. Fucking leave that aside. Well, cut that part. But the point is, look at the fucking flowers and shit. It's very good. We have our own fencing over here. It's fucking private. There are a total of 6 entries to this place. And look at the villa, how old and beautiful it looks. It just looks pristine. It's very old school and it's very very beautiful. It looks awesome. And I want you guys to be fucking motivated to make something like this in your life. Because you, motherfucker, feel that you live forever. Your body is not gonna last forever. You will have to take the decision now or never, because I'm 19. मैं बार बार क्यों अपनी एज बताता हूँ? Because you fucking feel कि इतने कम उम्र में हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. हमारे माँ बाप क्या बोलेंगे? हमें ये क्या मादर चोद, तुम्हारे पास गांड में गुदा नहीं है इसलिए तुम कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हो. There's nothing else stopping you. Join, motherfuckers. I make shit ton of money. Fuck you. Do you see the size of skull? एक इंसानी खोपड़ी से ज़्यादा बड़ा है. I mean, the people that used to hunt, Jim Corbett was the person that actually owned this house back then. And it's a fucking piece of history. Like all the places, all the things, all the pieces, all the art pieces and shit. You see, look at all those things. Look at all the paintings. Look at the dining table. It's all old school, old fashioned sort of shit. And it's fucking awesome, you know. It's quite expensive to rent, but the point is, you guys think that saving money and not spending it in stays, not spending it going outside somewhere is going to make you money. But the point is, it's not going to make you money. You're going to lose money because you don't have the fucking guts to spend it on you. If you don't spend it on yourself, somebody else will spend it somewhere else and the flow of money will never stop. क्योंकि हम रहते हैं एक ऐसे देश में जहां पर नेताओं को पैसा खाने के अलावा कुछ नहीं आता. But the point is, if you want to revolutionize yourself, there are ways to do that. As a 19-year-old millionaire, I have been doing things that have given me the freedom. मैं सिर्फ एक लैपटॉप और इंटरनेट कनेक्शन से जो मेरे पास यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे तरीके से है सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ. I'm filled with nature. Nature से घिरा हुआ हूँ मैं. Why do I do this? Because I fucking love it. I love the nature. I love to live longer. I don't give a fuck about supercars. I can get it later on in life. But right now, my main priority is exploring the fucking things. Look at it. Pan the camera to that shit. Just look at the size of that thing. I mean, isn't that pristine? There are more than 5 bedrooms in this place, and it's 2.5 acres, as I've told you. गरीब हूँ मैं, गरीब हूँ, मेरे पास नहीं है पैसे. गरीब हूँ मैं, गरीब हूँ, मेरे पास नहीं है पैसे. अर्चित की बात मैंने नहीं सुनी थी क्योंकि मुझे लगा था कि मैं जीऊंगा, लेकिन मैं तो मर गया क्योंकि लाइफ की कोई सर्टेनिटी नहीं. मादर जो तुम गरीब हो, मादर जो तुम गरीब हो. भोसड़ी के, ध्यान से मेरी बात सुनो. आपको आज एक ऐसी सच्चाई बताता हूँ जिंदगी की जो एक्चुअली शायद आपको कोई नहीं बताएगा. ये दुनिया पैसे से चलती है और जिसके पास पैसे नहीं उसको लथाड़ के साइड कर देती है. You know, if you have money and you run into losses. Let's say you're rich and you run into losses and you have a woman that's with you since a long time. You'll physically feel the difference. If you have less money than you had before when you got into a relationship with that woman and you got poor suddenly, you'll see the difference. क्योंकि दुनिया किसी के लिए नहीं रुकती. You know, they feel like, why the fuck? There are so many options. Why the fuck should I stick to this person? Because they feel that you're not powerful. You yourself are killing your own motherfucking power. Do you understand? Every single step that you take, all the decisions of your life, they come to zero when you think about it. When you think कि आपकी मदद करने actually कोई नहीं आ रहा. मैं नहीं आऊँगा, कोई नहीं आएगा. And the point is, I made my community free. I teach trading. Everybody knows that. I have made it free since the last 15 to 20 days now. 20 दिन से I'm not charging any money. It's completely free. You can even join it. You can go to the link in the description or bio अगर आप Instagram पे देख रहे हो और YouTube पे देख रहे हो. But the point is, we are living in an era जहाँ पर किसी को किसी से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. They just feel like, okay, this amount of time, add it another amount of time. They don't care about you as a person. They don't want to care about you because you have problems and they don't like problems. The point is, when a person actually starts getting into your life, they feel like, okay, what are we getting out of this? Are we getting something special out of this? If they're not, they'll already leave. But if they get something special, but that suddenly stops because you have a problem in your life, you're fucked in the asshole. And that is the reality of life, which you won't agree. Because you're in a denial. You're fucked. Money is the fucking future and it will keep on coming because you can change your life from money. That's how it is. Now we're gonna go and have some lovely lunch because I've had breakfast. Egg and omelette is a regular breakfast for me. A little bit of tea, green tea or something. We're gonna have some lunch, tasty lunch, दाल चावल दाल भात खाएंगे, मारवाड़ी वाला खाना खाएंगे, प्याज व्याज खाएंगे, सलाद खाएंगे, मजे आएंगे. आपको दिखाते हैं. Look at this beautiful hall, by the way. Before going, look at it's just all fucking real. It's not fake. This is all fucking real. All these things. We were having a fucking match of. Well, this motherfucker, we don't drink this. This was for the staff. But this thing, we were having a match of chess. This was awesome. Chess is one of the best games. Well, I don't know what I did, but I did what I did. Let's go. Let's go for lunch. Let's go for lunch. There's a motherfucking insect on it. मुझे लगा था कि हमें lunch में कुछ अच्छा मिलेगा. But looks like I want a rationing. I don't have money. I'm poor. I have zero money. All these fruits you see, 2-3 हफ्ते पुराने. पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास. सच्चाई की बात तो ये है, मेरे पास इतने कम पैसे बचे रह गए कि मैं यहाँ से शायद वापस भी नहीं जा पाऊँ. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, एक दिन का 1.5-2 लाख का किराया है. वापस जा ही नहीं पाऊंगा यार. किराया पटा लूंगा बट वापस नहीं जा पाऊंगा. पैसे खत्म हो, फ्लाइट की टिकट बुक नहीं होगी. Let's cut this fucking fruit which I don't know how to cut, but this is my lunch for today. And comment down if you have good lunch. Do you eat this? You don't, because you're poor. I will call you poor in 100 different languages today, guys. Where I'm enjoying. And look at the amount of glasses for drinks. This is fucking awesome. There's a slave phone. Show the fucking slave phone. There's a slave phone right there. And this place is so old school. Like there's heaters and shit everywhere. Paintings everywhere. Lightings everywhere. Look at the view. The view is so fucking beautiful. It's killing me. I don't know how. Like we're about to stay more than 7 days at this place. It's gonna be awesome. And obviously you're gonna see just the 2 or 3 days. I'm not gonna make a lot of videos. But the point is, still poor. Traveling में, if you feel like आपको मुझे नहीं पता how much have you traveled, but traveling is pretty expensive. And you know, there's one thing that I want to share to you guys. If you want to really get successful, there's one small little secret that nobody knows about and nobody talks about it on the internet because they're scared. Why are they scared? They feel like यार हमारा competitor खड़ा हो जाएगा क्या मतलब. But I want to say this straight to your face. You are a loser not because you don't have money. You're a loser because you take no steps. Do you hear that? It should be in your fucking heart. I'm sitting here enjoying remotely working. You motherfucker have the chance to post anything on the internet. You can do whatever the fuck you want, but you decide to sit down and relax. How the fuck can you sleep? नींद कैसे पड़ रही है आपको? आप एक पिंजरे के अंदर बंद हो जहां पर आपके पास कोई ऑप्शंस नहीं है. You have zero options, right? You can't go to the left, you can't go to the right, you can't go to the toilet, you can't choose this, you can't choose that, you can't choose this person, you can't eat certain foods. You have a fixed way of living life. खटमल की जिंदगी. आपको चाहिए वैसी जिंदगी? So you can absolutely fuck off from this video. Because this video is being made to tell you that what can be done at a young age. What can be done, what kind of mindset. I don't have a dad. He passed away nearly 2 years ago now. 2 साल. Do you understand how much is that? उस 2 साल में I've built myself from nothing to everything. Nothing to everything. I was working even before that. But अब मैं इस level पर आ चुका हूँ that I cannot get a downfall. I have done everything. And for the public, I've made it all free. It's free. I don't teach in any courses. 50 घंटे से ज़्यादा के comprehensive lectures and regular live lectures completely for free of cost. Not even 1 penny charged. Do you understand how much of a big feast that is? I'm an Indian fucking 19-year-old that was born in a 3-tier city. And right now I'm teaching more than 1 lakh students just how to make money. That's who I am. Well, we're gonna enjoy some lovely dinner tonight and it's raining all the time. It's lovely. I'll see you in the next shot. This pant right here costs more than ₹1 lakh. Now, I'm wearing this out in the jungles. I'm thinking, why not give this to some chimpanzee? It can be you, because it's definitely 100% sure that you're not a human, but a chimpanzee. Why do I say this? Because you have no fucking emotions towards making it in life. That's why I call you a chimpanzee, because the difference between a monkey and a human is, a monkey doesn't know how to make fucking money, but a human being knows how to make money. Now, the point is, you can absolutely start making money with zero investments. लोग बोलते हैं ना कि यार हमको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा, हमको पैसे रिस्क पे डालने पड़ेंगे, ये वो ऐसा वैसा. You don't need a single penny. I start with zero. You don't need anything. All you need is knowledge. Knowledge का जो पैसा होता है ना, वो actually सबसे प्यारा पैसा होता है. Because you get a shit ton of knowledge while learning things. With the knowledge, now you can make money in the future if you get broke someday, or you can make money while you are learning things as well. Like you can start learning something and you can constantly print money through that. Well, बहुत हो गई पैसे की बातें. Just fucking enjoy a little. I've had a lot of detox going on, as you guys know. I don't do anything bad anymore, and my days have been pretty good, at least as of now. It has been 3-4 days now, and it feels good. We're going to be here for another 5-6 days. Let's see if we extend. You can make money, guys. You can make money. Like if I be very honest, I have been printing money from absolute. Well, this is a legendary car. We'll take a moment to fucking appreciate this car right here. It's a fucking Suzuki Alto, white colored beast. You motherfuckers don't know ये पहाड़ में कितने अच्छे से चलती है. By the way, नहीं, लेकिन आपको तो उन लोगों की गांड चाटना अच्छा लगता है जो 5,000 रुपए की रेंटल लैम्बोर्गिनीज में घूम रहे हैं. Please, guys, try to understand. They're manipulating the fuck out of you. Now, there is one thing that I do. I have a software that does trading for you. The name is Rainbot. And we are about to launch the version 2 of the bot. Completely autonomous trading. आपको एक बटन दबाना है and you just have to leave it there. Your money will keep getting multiplied. मैंने अपना $100,000 का अकाउंट को 200,000 किया in the last 1 month. 100% returns. Other than that, मैंने अपने $1,000 के अकाउंट को $5,000 किया. More than fucking 300-400% returns. मैंने अपने $100 को $1,000 पे convert किया just from the bot. And you can pass funded accounts. The biggest thing is you can pass funded accounts from the bot. You can get it right now. The discounted price is 1,999. I sell it for 5,000 रुपए. 5,000 से मैंने इसको 1,999, which means 2,000 में गिरा दिया है. If you want to get it right now, you can get it. If you want to make a shit ton of money from clipping, you can make reels out of me and you can get the affiliate commission. जितने भी sales आपके particular page से आएंगे towards my software or anything else, you will get the money. And I do not, again repeating, मेरा course 100% free है. I do not sell any courses. I just sell a software which is made by me. बहुत पैसे लगा करके बनाए, करोड़ों रुपए खर्चे. So I will charge for it for sure. So if you want to get in that, you can click on the link which is in the description. My website is right there. And I'm gonna enjoy. Look at the road, man. It's so inclined. And look at these villas. Look at the fucking nature. It looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna enjoy. This is my villa, by the way. So I'm gonna enjoy here absolutely to the fullest. Today is the 5th day. 3-4 more days. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. We're gonna make these videos very regular now. जहाँ भी हम जाएंगे, we're gonna shoot it and give you guys a big dose of motivation. Goodbye. Keep watching the fucking top G of India. Also, guys, a small detail about the Rainbot. If you want to buy it, you can get it in the website. More than 6,000 people are already using the bot. If you want to see the reviews, you can get inside the community. हमारी community completely free है. उसका भी link नीचे डला हुआ है. वेबसाइट पे जाके आप join free पे click करोगे, you will get inside the community. आप वहाँ जाके proofs देख सकते हो of all the members that are making money in the trading. And it will be completely a secured access. आपका bot आपके account का कोई ID password नहीं मांगेगा. It will work completely independent onto your device. That is how we make money. We're a fucking millionaire at no age. I'll see you in the next one.